Okay, guys, get ready to learn how to do these beautiful colors and any colors with acrylic nail powders. So you will need a Ziploc bag, some type of measuring spoons. I have the special ones. You can use a regular kitchen spoon, your mica powders, your clear acrylic, and just keep on mixing. So I put some of mica powder and I did just a little pinch of white. The white is going to be as a base, so that means the actual acrylic color is not going to be as translucent. And as you may see right now, it's very, very light. So I'm just repeating the steps. And I do a little bit at a time. Don't put too much and thinking that you're going to come out with this perfect color when you just put a whole bunch of mica colors and whites inside. This actual color took me I think 4 tries. Some colors take me a lot longer than that, but I just keep on putting a little bit of time. Close the Ziploc bag and mix it with your fingers. I have learned that this technique, mixing it with your fingers with the Ziploc bag, is the best way to do it. I tried spice grinders, tried coffee grinders, I tried my bullet to see if I could get this thing done quicker. But this is the best way if you don't have a professional mixing machine for acrylic powders. See for different colors. So I did try it out 4 times before I actually achieved the color that I wanted. Keep on watching, guys, and I'm going to show you how I did 4 different types of colors and mica powders. There's one with glitter. This is very simple, easy to do, and very inexpensive, and you can end up having so many different beautiful colors. Now I also have huge jars of mica powders, but that's only because I also do other crafts and I use them for that as well. You don't need to spend a lot of money on those big jars of mica powders. For trying out, I recommend just getting maybe like a kit of mica powders that comes in small packages, but it has different colors. So just keep on watching, guys, and I hope I was able to help you guys out, and you'll be mixing your own color powders soon. Now again, I'm doing it a little bit at a time. There's really no recipe for this. I cannot tell you how many ounces of this or how many uh, spoons of that. You just mix it till you achieve the color that you want. Have I mixed up in the past? Absolutely. I've made some powders and it didn't come out good and I had to start all over. When you do glitter, the same thing. Little goes a long way. Don't go crazy. As you may see, this one, it's more than enough. If I would have put more, it would have been overwhelmed with the glitters. Comment me below with any questions that you have. I'm going to put some links on the bottom from Amazon that I buy my acrylic powders from, and my glitters and my micas. So I hope I was able to help you guys out. I know how expensive colored and glitter powders can be. Now I'm also making this in a 1 ounce jar. I'm only doing nails for myself. I'm not a professional, a licensed nail technician. So 1 ounce color acrylic powder lasts me forever. I'm actually trying to find half an ounce or even smaller ones, so this way I can actually mix more and have more different options, not ending up having these 1 ounce color acrylic jars that's gonna last me for years to come. All right, guys, so keep on watching and I'll see you soon. Bye. So as you see in this color, I'm doing the neon orange, and I use just a pinch of the red mica powders, and that's also being used as the base, which is going to make your base darker and not see-through. There you go. That's much easier for me to pronounce, and it's not gonna make it jelly kind of look alike. And it just needs a pinch. If you're gonna put more, it's gonna make the neon orange more redder than anything. And as you can see, the same thing, I worked in step. I added as I needed more till I achieved the color that I needed. The outcome of these acrylics are absolutely gorgeous. Ask me any question, guys. I'm really here to just share with you my knowledge and my techniques and how I do all of these things, and I actually save money. Next video, I'm also going to show you how I mix my own builder gel. So I have all kinds of different colors. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Quick tip, if you guys end up having the most beautiful color that you want to remake it all the time, I suggest that once you start making your powders, make notes how many pinches, how many spoons, how many ounces of everything that you add. And at the end, when you do have that one color that you know you're gonna want to remake, this way you have the notes and you know exactly how to make it again. I didn't write anything down for these colors, and I have no idea how many of what I've put in.